Welcome to Trademark Salon's YouTube channel.
Ready to elevate your hair game?
Learn about the latest trends in fashion, including the world of hairdressing.
Learn from the pros with insider tips and tricks for salon-worthy styles at home.
Stay ahead of the trends with the latest haircuts and color techniques.
Enjoy fun and engaging tutorials designed to empower your creativity. Discover how to achieve stunning blow-dry styles that will leave you looking fabulous.
Master the correct way to use your prescribed products at home for optimal results.
Learn the proper techniques for using your styling tools to get the best out of them. Tune in for expert interviews with industry leaders sharing their secrets.
Become a part of a vibrant community of hair enthusiasts.
Get exclusive behind-the-scenes content that shows the magic of Trademark Salon.
Share your own transformations with us and you might be featured in our videos.
See amazing before and afters that showcase stunning transformations and inspire your next look.
Find inspiration for seasonal hairstyles that suit every occasion.
Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for fabulous updates. Connect with a supportive network of fellow hair lovers and share your journey. Welcome to Trademark Salon, where hair dreams come to life.